Welcome to a club for people who love good movies. Use the links in the description to navigate the list of films quickly.
Land of the Lost. This is the end.
Pineapple Express. Stoner Dale Jenton's enjoyment of a rare strain of marijuana may prove fatal when he drops his roj in a panic after witness a murder. Upon learning that the fancy weed can trace it back to them, Dale and his dealer go on the lam with a dangerous drug lord and crooked cop hot on their heels.
Tell in the comments which movies you think should be added to the list and share any other thoughts or suggestions you might have. Thanks and see you soon!